I never tried these. I'm about to try these. It's gluten free, so. I got dye on my hands. Crazy. Let's just take 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna get some water. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to cover this top. So I'm gonna put water in here. And y'all, aren't these so cute? It has all the teaspoons in here. I got it from Walmart. So we're gonna stir this up in the cup. So I think we're good with that. I need to put it on like 30 seconds. If it's messed up, it's y'all fault. Y'all, look. Oh man, this is so dope. We got Lotus Seafood. I have to show y'all when we get back to the house. We waited for about, you said 30 minutes? Yeah. But it has, we got like some chicken wings and we got some shrimp and stuff and some fried fish. So black folks was outside waiting. So it gotta be good if they're gonna wait. Good morning. It's Saturday. I'm about to go get my lashes done. Just got these lashes done. Oh my God, I'm so happy. What y'all think? This is so dope. So where are we? At IKEA.
Yes, IKEA. She said we finna go here for 2 things, maybe 1.
2, maybe 1.
I promise you we finna look around for about a good 2 things for you.
No, we're not. Look at this hair. Look at it. Just doing whatever the hell they want to. Ken got lined up, got her hair re-dreaded.
Shout out to
Living Like Lauren.
Living Like Lauren. Yeah, that's the name.
On IG.
Lauren Hendricks. Shout out to you. Her IG is Live Like Lauren, like with 2 eyes.
At one of my favorite places in Houston for cupcakes. So we're back at IKEA. It's like 10 something in the morning, almost 11 o'clock. Trying to find this clear chair and these side tables for the room. So I pulled Ken down this morning so we can find our shit since they don't never got nothing in stock. Let's hope. Someone's having fun in the IKEA store. Yeah. Do we got chairs? We got chairs! Look at them legs stretch. So we're taking it home now. You worked out today. What's up? What you feel about that workout? Oh my gosh, like, geez, Louise. Because I don't know who the hell will take all the time wrapping it like this.
That's the bottom.
Oh, it's not. This is the top. Oh, it's the bottom.
That's the bottom.
Yeah, this is the top. Oh, who gets happy over a clear chair? Me. That's who. Are you done with your job?
I'm just watching you.
I know what I'm doing. Don't watch me watch the film. Don't watch me watch the film. I know what I'm doing. Watch it. Watch this. Oh. Boom.
Where your screws?
It go up under.
You put the screws first?
Yep.
No, you didn't. No.
I got this. Watch out. Just watch out. Let me do me. My thing. There we go. You taking forever, yo. Look at me. I'm already done.
You got the most easiest damn thing in the house to do. A damn chair.
I've been slaving over this all day. Shit. I'm done. Ken is putting my work desk together. It's gonna be cute. Cute. Good morning, y'all. I'm on my way to the dentist right now. And it's about 8 something in the morning, Saturday. I'll talk to y'all later, because I need my map. Y'all, I'm literally at Miss A in Houston. They have an actual store, not online. How dope is this? So we're in Restoration Hardware, guys. Look at that freaking couch. Restoration Hardware. it.